Okay, Matt, I just wanted to take you through. So you and Kirby are getting the process down. Now, you know what the budget is. I'm going to take you through. So line item 1 here is permits, engineering, architectural. Final ILC survey by Liz Schmidt of Schmidt Land Surveying for the driveway was approved. That was $500. Now there was some additions to that as requested by Rob Theobald. Line item 200 is excavation. So we had a mini excavator rented, cost $1,000. I operated it myself to save money. Floor in the lower bathroom, this is for concrete. We build out 500 to jackhammer out and demo saw. Okay. Framing, the dormer, materials, funding, labor, monies account. I build out $1,400 to get some of the materials, of which they cost about $3,800, but I build out $1,400 of it on the working Excel budget. So to give you an example, as you go through the budget, you take that off. So I took that off of materials. Masonry, okay, I had it approved. We started April 18th. $6,000 I pulled out of masonry and got our guy Matt started on it of Wildwood. My billing was right around $3,500 in materials, and he was paid, well, he's been paid about $3,500 to date, but long story short, that was the total I was billing for. So this isn't what you've spent. This is what you're billing for. It's for the scope of work, the materials, and the labor that you've done to date. $1,100. Now $1,100 is site work. So I billed out $500 for the driveway. Rough electrical. Okay, we had $25,000 in improvements. I billed out $7,500. That was to pay the last contractor who took me for, well, $7,800, and then Jordan, who got $3,800 from me plus materials. So I'm in arrears here. Insulation. We did a ton of insulation. I billed out $1,667. Tile. I billed out $10,000 in tile. To date, we're at about $17,000 or $18,000, but I billed out $10,000 here. Finish electrical. So I rolled in some of the finish electrical to try to basically help out with the additional $23,000 in surprise billings for the electric. And then plumbing finish. New drain, shower reconfiguration, kitchen valves, just trim left. So I billed out $2,425 there. Contingency for new electrical. I took out a contingency. I took another $10,000 out of contingency so I could move forward. Total $35,000 is what was spent. Okay, and I requested $30,000 on this draw. I requested $30,000. This is back again 4/12. This is April 12th. Today's date, of course, being May 21st. So then I do a summary. You know, what's going on? We were supposed to be finished with the dormer the following week. Did that happen? Absolutely not. We are 5-6 weeks down the road from that date, and we are still not done. Is there a reason why I'm stressed out? You bet there is. There it is. All windows, but the front on special order. We have all the windows now, including the Eagle's Nest and in. All tile done, was supposed to be done the following week. It's pretty much done now. April 26th, done with interior electrical. We might have been if they didn't hit us with more inspections, Rob Theobald. The new kitchen and kitchen layout confirmed, that's done. And then sheetrock to start after electric inspection in April. We're a month behind here, but this is where I was at. And this is the worst project I have on the books right now as far as delays. I have one that's 2 weeks behind, that's in Grand Junction, but nothing like this. So we've got to catch these up. But a big thing is to be good on your summary and then maintain the integrity of the timeline in which you've proposed, right? And then, of course, I put my billing, you know, where to wire the money. So please wire draw 3, $30,000 to Colorado Group, make checks payable to Alpine Bank. And then that's it. And then those monies are provided to Carol Seneschal, and then she, you know, does payroll and writes checks to everybody, including KWR. And then KWR, of course, pays their crews, you know, separate. Anyways, I hope this has been informative, gentlemen. This is how I do our summaries. But like I said, I do every line item. We just went through the Excel budget on the last video. This is what you do here. Hope it's been informative. We'll see you on the next one.